Hi everyone, welcome back to Mornice vlog. And for this video, I will give you a little tour of the condominium we stayed in Lahog. It's Padgett condominium. So keep on watching. So as you can see it here, this is the entrance of Padgett Place condominium here in Lahog. Good day, guard. Little informations about Padgett Place. Actually, they have a 26-story residential building and 191 residential units. And they also have two basement parking levels. This is the way to the basement. So we're already here in a basement 2 on this condominium. As you can see, there's a lot of cars who park here. And also the basement 1, it's the same. And in basement 2, where you can find the laundry shop. Anyway, let's go back in the ground floor and I will show you the other amenities you can find in this condominium. Amenities you can find in a Padgett condominium. First is a swimming pool and a kiddie pool, which is located closer to the entrance. I will show you. This is their pool look like, and since we stayed here, they didn't charge us. You can use this pool until 10 o'clock in the evening. So since I'm not good in swimming, I choose to swim in a kiddie pool. So after you bath in the pool, they also have a bathroom here in the comfort room where you can change your clothes and take a bath, which is also located in the ground floor. Another amenities you can find here in this condominium is the fitness gym, rain tree deck, and the business lounge. Follow me as I'll take you there, which is located on the third floor of this condominium. So we're already here on the third floor, and this is the way going to the fitness gym and business lounge. No. Anyway, here. So as you can see it here, there's a tables, books where you can sit with your other colleagues if you want to have a peaceful meeting. So let's go in this another door going out from the business lounge. Here is another area, and I can see in the afternoon there's some people who will do their yoga here. And in this area you can also see the view there in the swimming pool, which is located in the ground floor. Now I will show you the fitness gym, which is also next door. Okay, let's go in. Fitness gym is free use for those who stayed in this condominium. And there's a Wi-Fi and it's aircon. Full videos of this fitness workout with my man will be uploaded soon. And aside from that, you can also find the comfort room here next to the gym, and also the shower if you want to take a shower here. Next is we will show you the apartment we rent. It's located in the 15th floor of this condominium. There you go. This is the mini kitchen here. We usually cook our dinner. And also this is a living room, small table. And there, TV and sofa, aircon. And in this area,
It's our bedroom. And you can also see the view outside.
we also have a one cabinet here where you can hang and put your clothes inside. And over in this side, it's a comfort room. This is the comfort room, looks like. We have a shower. We're going to 26th floor. I will show you the roof, the view there on the 26th. So it's under renovation because of the type. It's really a nice view here. You enjoy. See? Super nice. So I will show you also the night view here if you're on the top of 26th floor of this Padgett building. Thank you for watching Mornice vlog, and see you on my next vlog everyone. Bye and God bless.